Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts and services. As you can see, we've got accounts and sync, but also whole Google section, and you can add or remove a Google account using both of them. But I personally prefer to do it using accounts and sync, so let's tap on it and tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Right now, let's make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, we can tap on go or simply on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info you need. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of some Google services, so just tap on next. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, we can remove it whenever you want to, just by tapping on it. Let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it immediately disappears from this device, so it means that we just successfully removed it. So actually, this is it. This is how to manage your Google account in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.